Okay, so I wanted to do a quick video. This is Hummelstown. Again, we just finished the job. We worked Monday to yesterday. We did 600 or 500 square feet. The last couple videos I did was engineered, almost a lot like this type flooring. It's 3/8 inch engineered oak. You know, it's not very thick, so we're actually using staples with this job, but we have 1,000 square feet we're getting ready to install. It's basically the whole upstairs. This is the house also. We did their patio, if you remember, about, I don't know, a month or two ago. We did pavers in their outdoor patio, paver tiles, those heavy freaking things. But yeah, we're doing all this here, so it's cool. Pretty decent project. This is gonna take us, we'll be finished with this by next Friday. They're 5-inch boards, so it goes pretty quick. This is the next room we're doing. We're starting in that room just because we're upstairs here, so there's limited, it's a big house, but there's limited space where to put stuff. So we're just basically doing a room at a time. Today we're doing the master bedroom. We're gonna run a row straight down all the way, and that's going to get us into this room because we don't want to have any transition strips anywhere. We're doing a straight lay, so no transition strips except going into the bathroom. This is all getting wood. The bathroom will have a strip there, a reducer, and going into the master bathroom. So yeah, it's going to basically look just like the downstairs. There's a board you can see at the end. I'll zoom in there so I don't have to walk down, but there's a board that the homeowner chipped when he was moving stuff. He asked if we'd replace it. No problem. We'll do that at the end. But yeah, so yeah, we'll run the master bedroom to here and then straight down. I don't want to give you guys too many secrets of the trade or else you're not going to call me. But that'll bring us into this room, and then we can backfill all this. So we'll switch directions basically. Go this way, fill this in, and then we can do this room, I believe. And then we'll work the hall up this way. And then lastly do this room. And then we also have some closets to do. Pretty simple. This room's pretty decent sized. All these rooms are pretty decent sized. But then we're not sure what we're going to do to the stairs. I'm pretty sure they're going to want to refinish the steps and paint the risers. That's just my opinion, what they should do. But yeah, stay tuned for the finished product. I'm going to take another video. It's Friday today, so we're just starting. Next Friday we'll be completed with this. So yeah, stay tuned. Call us if you need anything flooring-wise. 717-673-5532. Thank you.